Poverty is a mocker. Kill it. I, Benson Adama, was born and raised in abject poverty. I know what it means to cry myself to bed with empty stomach because there is no food. I know what it means to be thrown out of school because there is insufficient resources to pay school fees. So if I teach you anything about poverty, treat it like expert opinion. And in my grow out of poverty, I discovered that to be born poor is not a sin, but to die poor is a sign of lack of knowledge. Do not conform to the poor thinking of the majority, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Listen to this. Poverty is not merely a lack of money. A lack of money is just one symptom of a greater mental/spiritual/psychological condition whose purpose is to put one in a perpetual state of dependence and servitude. Afflict one with habits, temptations, and liabilities that ensure one never escapes the matrix of one's own making. Surround one with people of a similar affliction to block any attempts to escape. Fill one with impure and unresourceful thoughts that invite unclean spirits that push one to incur even more liabilities. Hunt you even in the grave by rendering your child and family slave and burgers. Remember the Christian biblical story in 2 Kings 4 verses 1-7, where a prophet's widow, facing overwhelming debt after her husband's death, is threatened by a creditor who intends to enslave her 2 sons. The prophet Elisha intervenes by miraculously multiplying a small jar of oil, enabling the widow to sell it, pay her debts, and provide for her family. The greatest blow anyone can dealt his family and loved ones is die and leave them in debt. More tragedy is poor people are most likely to lust after equally poor people, because poverty wants to reproduce more livestock after its own image and likeness. This is why I cannot tackle the topic of poverty without challenging personal life choices. Broke people dating other broke people, making many broke babies. Get out of that ghetto, relationship, family, job that the Matrix set up to entrap you. Married people, I'm not talking to you, I'm not your counselor. Set your mind on only the best people, places, and opportunities. Contemplate only the highest virtues and surround yourself with only honorable people wherever they may be found. Make audacious moves and do not tell poor people. Discuss your ideas with top-tier mentors and collaborators. Practice premium truth management. Stop watching porn and all the dumb skits that demons cook up for you on Instagram. Leave the trenches and do not look back. Become a boss. Make boss money. Travel. Make bigger boss money. Marry a boss. Make boss babies. Make the rest of your life the best of your life. Until I come your way again, Benson Adama remains your in-house entrepreneur, business consultant, and transformation coach.